Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install VS Code latest version on RHEL 9.6. But the process is same on all RHEL versions. Okay, first go to activities, show applications, verify whether we have the VS Code comes as the default application. See, we don't have, so open the default browser that comes with RHEL, that is Firefox. Go to code.visualstudio.com. Click on this download for Linux RPM, or go to download and select this RPM, both are same. Click on RPM, wait a moment, download will be started. See, download started and its size is 148 megabytes. Wait until download completes. Once download completes, then we will install this RPM package. In meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, download is completed. Now open terminal, go to downloads, cd downloads, ls. See, here we have the RPM package. We have to install it. Sudo rpm -ivh, give the code, give the tab to autofill entire RPM package name, hit enter, provide the password of sudo user, hit enter. See, we have successfully installed. Control A. Now go to activities, show applications, then go to next tab. See, here we have the VS Code. Click on Visual Studio Code. See, we got the Visual Studio Code editor. Okay, close this one. You can also get the Visual Studio Code. Just type code in the terminal and hit enter. See, we got the same. Okay, we have successfully installed ls. Remove this file, rm code, press the tab, hit enter, ls. We have cleared the space. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download and install Visual Studio Code latest version on RHEL 9.6, but the process is same on all RHEL versions. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.